Hello everyone, welcome back to Where We Are. Today we have with us Aditi from engineering and MBA to building her own cake studio from scratch. Today we have someone who chose passion over convention and turned it into reality. Welcome.
Thank you so much for having me.
Yeah. So you come from an engineering plus MBA background, and what made you take such a bold shift into baking?
So, I come from a very conventional background. Like, I've studied engineering for almost 6 years now, and post that, I've also done MBA. My goals were sorted in the beginning. I was like, boards देना है, फिर engineering complete करना है, उसके बाद masters करेगी, land on a safe job. But I think life had something different planned for me. When I was studying engineering, COVID hit. That is when, like every other person, I was also in my cooking and my baking era, and I discovered my love and my, passion for baking. Once COVID was done and the lockdown was over, I started receiving orders from my friends, and slowly that is how my clients base started developing. Even today, I get messages from clients saying that, hey, it's my daughter's birthday, I am getting engaged, can you make an anniversary cake for me? So that feeling, the feeling of being a part of someone's special occasion is so special. And what made me shift is the feeling of, the feeling of satisfaction, the feeling of happiness that aap kuch acha kar pa rahe ho.
True.
And the thing, like when I was studying engineering and everything, I didn't have that feeling. I was just doing it because my parents wanted to do. And once I shifted from the engineering background to baking, I feel that I am living the life that I
Right.
wanted.
I mean, it's so lovely to see people getting along with you to what you are
Correct.
loving to do, right?
Right, totally.
So, was there a specific moment when you realized this is what I want to do?
Uh, Honestly, ऐसा कोई dramatic moment था नहीं कि I just woke up and I felt like ये मुझे यही करना है
Hmm.
करके. But it happened slowly and steadily, to be very honest. Like I mentioned, I started getting positive feedbacks from my clients, from my friends, and from my loved ones. And that is when I realized कि maybe I am meant to be here, and maybe this is what I wanted to do. So it, like, these things started with experimenting, but then later over the years I was sure that this is what I want to do. And I am so thankful for listening to myself that I feel it is one of the best decisions that I've taken.
Great that it worked out.
Yeah, it
Yeah.
did.
So, leaving a conventional career path isn't easy. What fears did you have before taking that leap?
I think the fear of uncertainty, कि you never know कल क्या होगा,
True.
या कुछ होगा भी या नहीं होगा. I was so unsure because honestly, I, like I mentioned, I've studied engineering for most of my life, and then just, shifting to a different path was very uncertain. And even I wasn't sure कि क्या मतलब what is meant for me in the future. But I'm so glad that I listened to, the things that my heart once wanted. And I think that is what happened over the time.
Perfect, perfect. You mentioned being someone who follows her instincts strongly. Has that ever backfired you?
100 times, I would say, because I am someone who just, does whatever I want, even thinking about the pros or cons, like ये अच्छा है या बुरा है, मैं आधे टाइम मुझे समझ में ही नहीं आता, बस मुझे करना है तो मुझे करना है. That is what I feel. So over the time, but I think I have developed, I've started to add a bit of logic to my instinct. So now I think it's good, and now I'm trying to balance, and I'm just, trying to think कि उसके pros और cons क्या होंगे, and if that thing has more pros, I try to lean towards it. And अगर मतलब कुछ हो भी जाता है, then also I don't care honestly,
मतलब अब
because
हो गया है.
yeah, हो गया है, अभी क्या ही कर सकते हैं. I
True.
cry for a day, then on second day I'm all good, and I was like, okay, that was a lesson for me
Yes,
to
yes.
learn.
So, moving to Delhi alone for a pastry course, what did that phase teach you beyond baking?
It taught me a lot. Honestly, I would say that it just taught me to be a better version of myself. because in my 24 years of career मैं पुणे से बाहर कभी नहीं रही हूँ. I was living with my parents, and moving to Delhi was one of the best decisions क्योंकि पूरा मतलब I got to experience the freedom, the feeling of being independent, and it pushed me so much out of my comfort zone. Like हम एक shell में होते हैं, and then when you move to a different place, आपको realize होता है कि यार दुनिया कितनी बड़ी है.
सब कुछ.
तो वैसा कुछ मेरे साथ हुआ था. And honestly, पूरे मेरे baking career में I never had a mentor. So once I moved to Delhi for my pastry chef course, I met a lot of people. I was sort of introvert, but when I went to Delhi, I think मैं थोड़ी सी extrovert हो गई हूँ. तो made a lot of friends, and there were a lot of people from all over India who came to this pastry school, and we all had the same mindset. And I made so many friends. Even till date, touchwood, I am in touch with most of them. And whenever I'm having any business crisis, I just pick up my phone and I keep on yapping like, ye aisa ho gaya. And then those guys have like solution to all my baking problems. So I think Delhi has given me more than I could ask for. It truly has made me a better version of myself, and it has given me so many mentors that I think मुझे कहीं और नहीं मिलते.
Great, great. How do you balance confidence and self-doubt, especially as a business owner?
So I think self-doubt is a very natural thing. Like no matter what you do in life, you will always have like a self-doubt कि होगा नहीं होगा या मैं कर पाऊंगी या नहीं. And confidence is something that comes over the years. I feel कि जैसे मैं 4 साल से baking कर रही हूँ, so I have gained a certain amount of experience, and I think slowly I've started to develop confidence also. So I try to keep both balance because self-doubt keeps me grounded और confidence थोड़ी मेरे levels boost करता है. So I try and keep both the things balanced. So that is what happens.
Great. Convincing your parents was one of your biggest struggles that you mentioned. What were those conversations like?
Okay, if I start talking about this, I think I'll start crying. But it was honestly one of the most emotional phases of my life because no one in my entire bloodline has ever done business. And I am someone who just woke up one random day and I thought कि चलो मुझे engineering नहीं करना है. I want to explore a different career path. I want to do business. I want to start my own small business. And of course, my parents were shocked. Everyone was shocked. Even I was shocked because मुझे पता नहीं था होगा या नहीं होगा. But it was really emotionally disturbing for me. And मतलब I thought कि हाँ ठीक है, initially कुछ दिन लग जाएंगे उन्हें convince करने के लिए, कुछ महीने लग जाएंगे, क्या आखिर में हो ही जाएंगे convince. But not days, not months, it took years to convince them, and finally तब जाकर वो मान गए. There were so many days when I felt lonely and I felt कि काश मेरे parents होते to support me, because one random day I used to just scroll through Instagram and there were girls who used to say my dad helped me in packaging, my dad helped me with cake deliveries and everything, and I wished that I had supportive parents. And जब मुझे कोई नहीं था मेरे साथ, I wished they were there for me. But I'm glad everything happened. It just made me a stronger version of myself, a better version of myself. And other than that, I think it made me so emotionally strong. And things get better with time. So what happens, I think, happens for the best, and everything is good now.
Yes, yes. You are now building your dream cake studio, right? What does this space represent to you emotionally?
This space represents everything to me. It represents blood, sweat. It represents the long nights, the late nights, the good days, the bad days, the happy days, the days when I felt like giving up, the days when I motivated myself. It just represents everything. It represents me, and moreover that, it represents the feeling of being independent and building something from scratch
Right.
with your own money, with your own time, efforts, and everything.
That is such a surreal feeling to
It
say.
is, it is.
What are some behind the scenes challenges people don't see while running a baking business?
I think there are a lot of behind the scenes that people don't see because people see what you show them. I feel जो मैं Instagram पे एक केक का पिक्चर डालती हूँ लोगों को बस वही दिखता है,
True.
उसके पीछे इतना बड़ा प्रोसेस है और इतने टाइम और एफर्ट्स है, from sourcing the raw materials to baking the cake to crumb coating it to filling it to designing it with the most precise detail. उसके अलावा पैकेजिंग करना, केक clients को पिक्चर्स भेजना, अदर देन दैट जस्ट चैटिंग विद देम फॉर आवर्स ताकि उनका ऑर्डर्स कंफर्म हो जाए, other than that shooting, making content, editing, posting, there is just so much that goes behind the scenes. And behind one small cake there are thousands of efforts that I don't
True,
think
true.
a lot of people understand.
You manage it all alone on yourself?
I do, but things are getting bigger and I am planning on hiring more people. But
Great.
this is what I did in the
Yeah.
initial days. There was no one with me to help. I had to figure it all out on my own. And उसके अलावा भी when जब लोग आपका काम अंडरवैल्यू करते हैं, आई थिंक तब आपको बहुत ये हो जाता है कि ब्रो यू डोंट नो व्हाट्स
Right.
हैपनिंग बिहाइंड द सीन्स एंड लाइक what it's not just a cake, it's not just sugar and flour, it's a lot that
True.
goes into
True.
end product.
Yes. Why do you think people often undervalue creative work like baking?
Like I mentioned, they just see the end results. हर एक चीज के पीछे, not just baking, in every small business or every work that we are doing, we just show the end products to the people. जो behind the scenes होता है वो लोग वो को पता नहीं होता है, या फिर टच वुड 90% ऑफ माई क्लाइंट बेस इज सो गुड दैट they don't really undervalue my work, but जो 10% लोग होते हैं it's very difficult for them to understand, और rather मैं उन्हें समझाने के लिए इतना मुझे ये करना पड़ता है कि ये प्रोसेस है, ये डिटेल है, वी आर यूजिंग दिस अमाउंट ऑफ प्रीमियम इंग्रेडिएंट्स, हमारा काम इतना डिटेल ओरिएंटेड है, एंड प्लस यू गेन दी स्किल्स एंड एक्सपीरियंस ओवर द टाइम. ऐसा नहीं है कि रातों रात में just things happened. It took a lot of time, efforts, and everything. So that's that.
That's that. What goes into a cake that most customers completely overlook?
I think most customers overlook the amount of late nights, and the basically they just undervalue like the efforts that you put in, because like I said कि उन्हें बस एंड रिजल्ट दिख जाता है, लाइक द एंड प्रोडक्ट दिखता है, बट जो चीजें हैं सारी इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट, जो लोगों को बेसिकली समझना है वो समझ जाते हैं, बट पीपल हु डोंट हैव द mindset to understand things, I think there is no point in explaining them also, because you will never come to a conclusion that way.
That's correct.
Yeah.
You don't believe in failures, but was there a moment that really tested you mentally?
Yeah, I don't believe in failures because I think मेरे life में जितना भी कुछ हुआ है, it has always taught me something good. I always take it as a learning lesson. But as I mentioned, the fear of uncertainty was the biggest challenge for me, and मुझे हमेशा कॉन्स्टेंटली लगता था कि व्हाट इफ आई डिसअपॉइंट माई पेरेंट्स, बिकॉज मुझे लोगों का कुछ फर्क ही नहीं पड़ता था, क्योंकि मेरे खुद के घर वाले मेरे अगेंस्ट है, तो मैं मेरे घर के बाहर जाके दुनिया का सोचूं ही क्या. सो द फीलिंग ऑफ getting failed, what if people don't like my work, what if I disappoint my parents, what if things don't work out, it used to hit a lot during my initial days, and that is what used to demotivate me a lot. But then eventually I started working on this, and I just started ignoring things, and then things went great.
I mean, that makes you a better person.
True.
Yeah. On days when everything feels overwhelming, what actually keeps you going?
So people say that you should meditate, you should breathe in, you should breathe out, you should have positive mindset. But मैं इसमें का कुछ भी नहीं करती हूँ. I just go home, have a good meal, and I sleep. I think sleep is the ultimate solution to all my
Of course.
problems, because no amount of meditation, no amount of positive thinking will ever help me in life, especially if you are a business owner, because problems ही ऐसे होते हैं उसका कोई solution ही नहीं होता
True.
है. So I think I just want to take a break from this feeling, and once I take a break, I just start to feel more better and less overwhelmed. And that is what I would also tell people to just pause, just relax, just calm down, get out of that zone. Because you if you start thinking when you're overwhelmed, it's just going to pile up to your emotions. So just take a break, relax, and then jo hoga wo kal dekh lena.
True, I mean taking a break is a better solution because उठने के बाद problem तो वही है, deal तो
Exactly,
करना ही है.
exactly, yeah.
So your goals have evolved a lot now. And how do you know when it's time to dream bigger?
आई थिंक इट्स टाइम टू ड्रीम बिगर. जब आपको लगता था कि ये XYZ चीज मैं कर नहीं पाऊंगी, और इट वाज इम्पॉसिबल टू डू, बट देन यू अचीव दैट वन डे. लाइक वंस आई स्टार्टेड बेकिंग, लाइक वंस आई स्टार्टेड अदिति's केकरी 4 साल पहले, तब मुझे बिल्कुल नहीं लगता था कि मेरा स्टूडियो होगा भी या नहीं होगा. मैंने तो बस ऐसी एवी स्टार्ट कर दी थी ये सारी चीजें. बट देन नाउ दैट आई हैव माय ओन स्टूडियो, it's like it's such a big evolution for me ki I've made something from scratch on my own, and now I think it's time to level up and take a step forward.
Great. You should dream big.
Totally.
You know that Zakir Khan's dialogue, you never know when it is a tathastu
True,
moment.
yeah.
So, what does success mean to you today versus when you were first started, when you just first started?
So when I started, for me success was little milestones actually. कि ठीक है मैं 4 पैसे कमा लूँगी केक्स बेच के, थोड़ी एक्स्ट्रा पॉकेट मनी आ जाएगी, and all those things. But now over the years I've started to realize, for me success is freedom. Success is the feeling of being independent. Success is something to make something from scratch of my own, to create a brand. So that is what success means to me today.
Success is basically what belongs to me.
True.
That's it.
True.
Yes.
Totally. Period.
Yeah. You believe conventional paths aren't the only way. What would you say to someone scared to take that risk?
So honestly, if you are taking a conventional path, it's good for you. There are two roads. If you go on the straight road, you know what your end goals are. But if you take that mountain road, it will be really bad. There will be a lot of rocks, there will be potholes, पता नहीं कहाँ से कोई wild animals वगैरह भी आ जाए. But once you reach the top of the mountain, that view, it will be to die for. It will be so worth that you will thank yourself later कि thank God मैं ये mountain चढ़ के आ गई, despite all the struggles, the hard work, the failures and everything. And you'll just thank yourself, and you'll be so freaking proud of yourself that you finally did something that your heart always wanted.
That listening to that makes so full, you know.
Yeah.
So, do you think passion alone is enough, or is something else equally important?
I mean, passion is equally important, but it's not everything. Passion के अलावा I think, देखो आपके अच्छे दिन तो हमेशा आने वाले हैं. There will be good days. अच्छे दिन पे तो सब लोग आपके साथ होते हैं. But what matters the most is how you handle yourself on your bad and your worst days. Because trust me, there will be no one when you're feeling low or when you're feeling bad, because you won't be able, no matter how much you tell others, आप वो feeling explain ही नहीं कर सकते हो किसी को other than yourself. So how you handle yourself in your downfall, I feel matters the most.
Makes sense. If you could sit with your younger self today, what would you tell her in one sentence?
So I don't think so. There will be one sentence for this, because I would like to tell my younger self a lot. Um, So
You
I would like
can.
to share something. I was in a really bad phase few years ago. I almost thought of giving up on everything क्योंकि हो ही नहीं रहा था. There was no one supporting me. And आप एक certain time तक ही खुद को motivate कर सकते हो. उसके बाद even you feel like कि नहीं हो रहा है करके. So I got this tattoo which says brave, and then later I got this tattoo which says self love. So I would love to tell my younger self that be brave, listen to your heart, and no matter what, just do what you want and start earlier. Because I started Aditi's Cakery, not just Aditi's Cakery, I started listening to myself when I completed my graduation. उससे पहले मैं बहुत डरती थी कुछ भी करने के लिए. आई यूज टू थिंक कि नहीं यार मम्मी पापा गुस्सा हो जाएंगे, या ये रिश्तेदार वो रिश्तेदार उनको पसंद नहीं आएगा, एंड ऑल दोस थिंग्स. So I would just like to tell my younger self कि listen to your heart and start earlier. जो भी करना है वो थोड़ा पहले से करो. Take risks and don't forget to love yourself.
True. Very nice. What's one thing about your journey that people still don't fully understand?
uh, People fully don't understand. I mean क्या ही बोलूं लोगों को, मतलब मुझे ही मैं खुद समझ में नहीं आती हूँ तो लोगों को समझना बहुत दूर की बात है. बट अगेन एज आई मेंशन इट्स द behind the scenes, the sleepless nights, the long working hours, the bad things, or the downfall is something that people don't really get. And yeah, I mean it's, I always like to show my positive side to people, and but behind the scenes I am struggling with my own overthinking or
Hmm.
the problems and everything. But then slowly even I am trying to figure out things and to become a better version of myself.
Great. What does being the sculptor of your own life mean to you today?
So this means taking complete responsibility for who you are, taking complete responsibility for shaping your life the way you want. Because if you let others design you, you will become what they want
Yeah.
rather than becoming what you want in your life. So I would just tell others to listen to your own heart, do whatever you want, design your life the way you want, not the way the society wants or other people want. Because in the end you will thank yourself later that okay, whatever I've done in my life, whether good or bad, it's because of your own decisions.
Nice. And finally, Aditi, what are you building next?
I am planning for a baby, not actual baby, but Aditi's Kikri studio is like my baby. It is so dear and near to me. It's something that I've built from scratch with my own blood, sweat, tear, with my own money, and with all the efforts that I've put over the years. So I am looking to build a brand, a studio which I've always dreamed of. And yeah, I am hoping for more bigger and better things in future.
What is that studio going to be about?
It is going to be about a lot of things. I am planning for different classes, to have a bigger and better menu, to hire more people, and basically everything which represents me.
Great. Is there anything else that you want to talk about, mention? Any incidents? It's yours time.
There is a lot to say, but मैं कोई हो नहीं जिसका it would matter a lot. But मैं just इतना बोलूँगी that I wish someone told me when I was younger that listen to your own heart. आई नो हम लोग बहुत सोचते हैं सारी चीज़ें के बारे में कि what if these things don't work out, and what if you let your parents down or let the society down. But बिल्कुल मत सोचना किसी की, जो खुद को है वो कर लो. जो अच्छा होगा तुम्हें बाद में अच्छा ही लगेगा, जो बुरा होगा just take it as a learning lesson. Because मैं हमेशा यही सोचती हूँ, आई जस्ट थिंक अबाउट द वर्स्ट पॉसिबिलिटी कि ज्यादा से ज्यादा होगा ही क्या. ठीक है ये होगा, दुनिया खत्म हो जाएगी, ठीक है कोई नहीं, अलग दुनिया बन जाए, या जो भी है हो जाएगा बाद में. यू विल इवेंचुअली यू विल फिगर इट आउट इन द एंड. जस्ट बहुत कंफर्ट जोन में मत रहो कि ठीक है ये अभी इंजीनियरिंग ले लिया या जो भी आपने पढ़ाई का ये लिया, दैट इज योर एंड गोल. ट्राई टू एक्सप्लोर न्यू थिंग्स, बिकॉज मैंने जब इंजीनियरिंग शुरू किया था, नेवर इन माई ड्रीम्स आई थॉट कि मैं बेकिंग के इसमें आ जाऊंगी, बट आई वॉज वेरी ओपन टू डिफरेंट थिंग्स. एंड मैंने जैसे धीरे धीरे मैंने हर एक चीजें ट्राई कर ली थी. आई हैव ट्राई डांसिंग, सिंगिंग, एवरीथिंग, बट माय हार्ट ऑलवेज लेड मी बैक टू बेकिंग. एंड ये हॉबी थी जो पैशन में बदल गई, वो मुझे बहुत लेटर इन लाइफ रियलाइज हुआ, बिकॉज मैंने वो बस ऐसे ही शुरू किया था क्योंकि टू हैव सम एक्स्ट्रा पॉकेट मनी एंड एवरीथिंग. बट देन द अमाउंट ऑफ पीपल दैट गॉट कनेक्टेड टू मी लेटर इन लाइफ was so much, and it was just everything that I could ask for and more. So I would just tell everyone, listen to your heart, do whatever you want, because in the end it's just going to be worth it.
Yes, so in your case, whatever happened is not for the good, but for the best.
It is.
Yeah. So, from following expectations to building her own path, Aditi's journey reminds us that sometimes the boldest decisions lead to the most fulfilling lives. Thank you so much, Aditi, for sharing your story with us.
Thank you so much for having me.